What's up ulit guys? So maglalaro po tayo ng game. Ang pangalan ay Boom. So hindi ko natin alam kung horror ba to o pang code sila. So start na po natin. Audrey just 4. Nagalaw na ba ako?
Baba Bowie.
Hey. Hello? Gumagalaw na ako. Face. Crouch. Wala. Okay. Tayo. Stop. Ayaw. Baka eat. Okay. We are going to launch a firework. Okay. Tapos, that's the only way anyone will find us here. So naliligaw tayo guys. Before we run out of matches and freeze to death. Go forward. I will be awaiting you there. Huh? So delusion ko lang nga to. Pero ang cute naman na itong pusang ko. Forward. Kaya kong tumakbo guys. Sabi na, nawala na siya oh. So mag-isa lang tayo guys na nagso-survive siguro dito. Sa snowy forest. Oh, yun siya oh. Wala. Hello! Who is you? Stop. Take the matches. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Oh, the firework must be down. The firework must be down this time. I smell some... Ano to? Pyrotechnic. Sana tama yung pagkabigkas ko. Tayo. Ayaw. Siyempre wala na siya doon. Huwag mo na titignan sa likod. It's a Minecraft. Parang doon sa Minecraft lang guys. Ba't ko tinapon? Naku ka. Ala ka. Buksan mo yung ilaw. Yun siya. Lock pa. Ayaw nung mabukas. Okay. You're freezing. Yes? Set those benches on fire. Ito ba yun? Press to throw a match. Ayun! Wala! Fire! Oh. Burn those pile of branches to stay warm. Okay. The firework must be in this area. As soon as you find it, return to our campfire. But I will prepare it for the lunch. Okay. Maraming salamat po. Arigatou gozaimasu. Meow. Ito ba yan? Branches. Ito ba yung branches sinasabi mo? Oh, much. Thank you. Branches ba yun? Sinasabi na ito. Ito ba yun?
A few minutes later.
Tawa! Oh shoot, I'm dying. Oh shoot, ito ba yun? Fire!
spicy meat.
Luto mo yun?
Yeah, boy. That's it.
Yes sir, pinipritong tao tayo guys. Pinipritong tao. Ayan, ang gulo ng bakbo. Ayusin natin. Ay ba, sorry po, ito na po. Ito na po, ayusin ko na po. Saan tayo? Left, right. Mini, mini, mo. Pwede na ba yung kamukha ko? Ito daw. Itong right side daw. Ano ba?
Sorry.
Ulit. Ito, daanan to. Ay, hindi siya daanan. Guys. Hindi siya daanan. Kita ko yung fireworks. Wait lang. Boosh! Ha! Stick. Ay, stick. Matches pala, matches. Kasi galaw na galaw. Yes, sir. Ano pa? Yes, sir. Pawa. Oy, tarantado, sinayang mo. Ano ko ba? Take. Take pala. Jay, sinayang. Ba yan? Okay. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Sa'yo? 3? Kasi... Oy! Pawa! Okay, nandito na tayo. Pinapilito na tayo ng ewan na sunog na ewan. Oosh! Yes sir! Piniprito na naman tayo! Parang naglalaro lang tayo ng Minecraft guys. Yep. Oy! I'm dying! Boosh! Uy ba? Tao ba yun? Yung sunog ko pala kanina. Wala, diretso na tayo. Boosh! Woo! Wala. Diretso na tayo.
It become colder. But I see you found the firework. Firework. Yes, I found it. Yes. Sit on the lunch box. Ayaw ko! Porsche. Wait. Ayaw ko. Damn. Ito na. Diba dun tayo? Oh, perfect. Yes, sir. Lunch it now. Okay, thank you. Oh, eh. Tugulo. Okay. That's it. Okay. Let's hope it was enough for them to find us. But how many matches do you have left? You must found a lot near that firework. Huh? Ala ka? Yari. If you overdid it 25. But on the other hand, now they will certainly find us. Yes, sir. Alam, mahanap talaga tayo. Oh! Oh, Burning Snow, thank you for it. Was the first ever 3D game and I hope you like it. You can find more of my stuff on my itchy. Oh, itch. And, oh, yun ako. Just score! Ayun. Damn, nagbago na siya guys. Literal na nasusunog na lahat. Para siyang gawa ng, ano siya, para siyang Godot. So, dito na muna tayong tatapusin tong Burning Snow. So, yes, nakita nyo naman po. Parang Burning Snow na talaga, oh. So, yes, dito naman po natin tatapusin tong video ito. Please, kung nagustuhan tong video ito, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next episode. Guys, bye!